Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Saksham Digital Technology. So in the previous Python tutorial video, we are learning about what are the syntax of Python. We are writing a code for hello world, and also we are know the concept of syntax indentation error. Also the creating comment, multi-line comment variables, and cost casting. Get the type of the variable, and also we are knowing the concept of valid variable names, invalid variable names, and much more. So in this video, also we are covering the global variable concept. Change this. Okay. So in this video, we are going to learn about Python operators. Okay. So in the Python operators, there are many types of operators. So we are starting with AND operator. The AND operator work like a and sorry, one and one is one, because the true value and true value is giving the output true value, but you have 1 and 0, so they just give you 0 because 1 is true but another one 0 is false, so they just give you the 0 value, because in the end condition you have all these two values are correct, and then you are just passing 0 1 0 and 1, so they just give you 0, and also you just passing 0 and 0, so they also giving you the 0. Same use with true and true concept. Okay, they will give you true like this. This is the concept, same with same. And also you are just checking with like true and false. One value is true and another value is false. The spelling of false with capital letter, so they will give you the false value, because 1 and 0 is 0, so this is same as this. So also we are just knowing with false in the first, and second one is true, so they just give you also false, and also the same as for the false and false, so this is also false. So this is the concept of AND. And if you want to know the concept of OR, just write, I am writing the code for OR. So the concept of OR is that the one of the condition is true, so they will give you true. And one of the sorry, both our conditions are true, they also give you true. But all these conditions are false, so they will give you false. So first we are checking with one or one, they will give you one, and you are passing like one or zero, they will give you one. But you are passing like also you are just passing one or 0 or 1, they will give 1. If you are just passing, so if you are passing 0 and sorry, or 0, they will give you 0. This is the false condition. Also we check with this true and false value, like true and true is change this with or. Okay, they will give you true if you are passing like true and false. Also they are just giving you true, because one of the condition is true, so they will give you true. So these operators are used in some conditions, like one of the condition is true, you are just validate the user and all. So these are some of the concept using in development. So if you are checking for like in the starting false, or in the last we have true, so also they will give you true. If you are checking for like false or false, so this is also one of the false value. So this is the and or operator. We are clearing this concept. And the another operator we are learning like arithmetic operators, minus, plus, multiply and all. So we are starting with addition. So print one. I'm just making a string for clearly the concept. So 1 plus 1 equal to, here we are passing our values, 1 plus 1 equal to 2, so they will give you true, because we are adding this operator will add these two values. If you are checking for minus operator, so just change with minus. Here also they subtract 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So this is the concept of arithmetic operator plus and minus. If you are checking for multiplication, so just change the values. Like here you are just multiply sign asterisk, and here 4 3. Okay, then change these values like 3 multiply 1. So 3 multiply by 1 equal to 3. So this is the concept of multiplication of the particular value. If you are checking for divide, so 1 is divided by 2, so they will give you 0.5 answer according to the value. So you can see 1 divided by 2 is equal to 0.5. These are our arithmetic operators. Also, if you want to check for the module, so we are just passing 7 module 4. So they will give you 7 module 4. We are just skipping this. So if you can see, the 7 modulo 4 is giving, sorry, 7 modulo 4 is giving us a 4. There are some, so we are typing mistake. We are passing modulo here. So they will give you 3 because 4 is divided by 7. 7 is divided by 4. They just remainder 3 reminder only. So if you are checking for module 5, 5 modulo 4, so they just give you 1 because reminder is 1. So you can see here answer is 1. And then we are just checking double divide operator. So print 7 4 equal to. So the answer is, you can see they will give you how many times you divide the value, like 3 1 is 3 3 2 is 6, and they will give you 2 times. If you are checking for different value, like if you are passing like 7 divided by 2 is equal to, they will give you 3 because they just divided by 2, 1 is reminder also. So and if you are just finding the power of particular value, so for that you are just passing like 4 is double asterisk 2 is equal to, what is the value of this? So this is the this value is the value of this expression is 16, because the power of 4 the power of the value of 4 power 2 is 16. So 4 double asterisk 2, so they just give you 16. If you are checking for like power 5 with power 3, change the values, so they will give you 125 because 5 into 5 is 25, 25 into 3 sorry 5 is 125. So our topic is clear, our operator topic is clear, and then we are just going to the next topic in the next video. Thank you so much. Subscribe our YouTube channel Saksham Digital Technology. Thank you.